Hello all of you, myself Saurav Kumar. Today I am going to tell about the solution of the font whenever you using on your system, and sometime while we working, sometime our system is corrupted, and the another time we install our font, the multiple files we are working on, they start showing the font are missing, and this that problem is happening many a time. As an artist, I also face this problem many a time, so I found a solution and want to share with you all so that you can also get the benefit of this. So I am going to show you how this work basically. So this is the font I have. This is basically a solution to manage your font whenever your window is corrupt and some problem in your system happen. So the next time we have to install our font when we install our new window and all. So not need to install each and every font or something. If you want to make your window install, or your window is going to corrupt, so you can do by two ways. I am showing the first way. You can first copy your all font from the folder you keep your font, and copy from here. Just simple close it, and from start menu select control panel, just go to categorize and select large icons. Here you get a option fonts, where all the fonts are present in our window. So just open it and just copy your font, just paste it, and this so that it's already installed in my PC, so it's showing that you want to replace it or want to copy or not. So I say replace it, so it's replacing all the font and it's done simply. And I like to share one more thing. If you already install on your PC the multiple fonts, means the you not want to again and again install each and every font in your PC. Whenever your final that these are the final font I am going to use in my PC as an artist or a user or any industrial person, so you just copy your all font in your PC, means install, or just copy from here all the font, uh, whatever number of font I have, total 8000 font. So I not able to install each and every font each and every time whenever I get corrupt my files and window. So the solution is that just copy all the font from here, control panel, and categorize large font, and from font I show you again. So like this you get a palette. Just click on large icon, just from font, and copy all the fonts from here, whatever number of font, just copy it from here, make a folder from any name which you want to make, and just I am showing you example. Just make a folder and copy your all necessary font which you want to store, just like that, copy and keep it just like that. And whenever your window or file or system is corrupted, just install your window and just not need to install all this uh, font again. Just copy from here all and paste in your control panel as the way I show you, and just go to your uh, control panel. I just show you to confirm it again. Just go to your control panel, you get like this categorize, go to large icons, again select font and paste all your font here, and you get all the font as exactly as your in previous window. And whenever you open your previous files and other work, it not going to show any font error missing and this and that. So this is the best way to manage your fonts and your files, so that it's not get corrupt and you not get trouble in your work. So hope this is helpful for you all, and enjoy. This is very interesting thing which I like to share all of you. If you like this, please give your comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you.